Hello everyone, welcome to Shriram Study Circle channel. So today in this video, we are going to solve some simplifications based questions that have been asked in previous year bank exams. So let's get started. Here is your first question. 37 square plus 19 square minus 50 divided by 42. Now what is 37 square? So in order to find 37 square, here the base value is 50. First check the 37 is how much below 50? 37 is 13 below 50. Now what is 13 square? 13 square is 69. So you will write 69 here and 1 will be in the carry. The next step will be subtract 13 from 25. On subtracting 13 from 25, you will get 12. So 12 plus 1 which is in the carry, so this becomes 13. So the final answer for 37 square is 1369. Right? Now what is 19 square? This you should know. Up to 25 square you should be perfect. Now what is 19 square? 19 square is 361 minus 50 and then whole divided by 42. So ivaga 1369 plus 361 sum estaಗುತ್ತೆ. Now how to add the numbers? First add 1300 with 300. 1300 plus 300 estaಗುತ್ತೆ 1600. Now this becomes 1669. 1669 ige if you add 1, this becomes 1670 plus 60. Finally it becomes 1730. So that means you have to add the numbers by splitting. So traditional method anna follow ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Traditional method ಅಲ್ಲಿ addition ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ it will consume a lot of time. So try to do the addition and multiplication by splitting method. Now 1730 minus 50 you have to do divided by 42. So this becomes 1730 minus 50 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 50 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, minus 30 minus 20 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1730 minus 30 will becomes 1700. Then minus 20 will become 1680. Therefore 1680 divided by 42. Now this becomes 42 1 times, 42 4 times is 168 and 1 0. So therefore the final answer here is 40. Hence option B is the right answer. Now let's move on to the next one. So these are very important questions and they have been asked in the previous year bank exams. So ivaga 2350 minus 55% of 680 divided by 19 is equals to x plus 53. Now first step will be finding 55% of 680. 55% of 680 ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 55% ಅನ್ನು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 50% plus 5%, right? 55% is splitted as 50% plus 5% of what? Of 680. 50% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Half of any number. Half of 680 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This becomes 340. Half of 680 will become 340. 5% ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? 50% ಅನ್ನು 10 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 5% ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ 340 ಅನ್ನು 10 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 5% ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಫೋರ್ 340 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5% ಅಂದರೆ 34. 340 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 34 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 374. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ. 55% ಆಫ್ 680 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 374. ನಾವು 2350 ಮೈನಸ್ 374 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್? 374 ಅನ್ನು ಯು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ minus 350 and minus 24. Minus 350 minus 24. Why? Minus 350 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2350 ಇಂದ minus 350 will become 2000. 2000 ಇಂದ minus 24 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that will be how much? 1976. 2000 minus 24 is 1976 divided by 19. So you should be knowing with 19 tables is equals to x plus 53. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತೀಗ? 19 1 times, 19 1s are 19, 0 and 19 4s are 76. Therefore, final answer will be 104 minus 53 is equals to x. So, therefore, x value here is going to be how much? 51. So, option C is the right answer. Now, we'll look into the next question. Yes, 18 into 15 plus 15 into 16 whole divided by 17 plus 660 equals to question mark. Now, how to multiply 18 into 15? Again, split the numbers. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? 15 you can split it as 10 plus 5, right? So, this you have to do it in your mind. Now, 18 into 10 will become 180. 18 5s the tables ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. 18 5s it is 90. So, 180 plus 90, this becomes 270. So, 18 into 15 is 270 plus 15 into 16. Again, split the numbers. How? 15 into 16 you can split it as 15 plus 1, and this becomes 15 into 15, 15 square andre 225 plus 15 ones are 15, 225 plus 15, so this becomes 240. Now 270 plus 240 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 270 plus 240, 200 200 400, 70 plus 40 110. So 400 plus 110, this will be 510 whole divided by 17 plus 660 equals to x. Now 17 one times, 17 3s are 51, so this becomes 30 here. 30 plus 60, 660 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 690. So 690 is the final answer. Therefore, option C is correct. Now we'll move on to the next one. Right, very interesting. 71% of 2200 minus 122 is equals to x plus 22 into 25. Now first ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? 71% of 2200. Always remember, percentage is the eliminator of two zeros. Percentage is the eliminator of two zeros. ಅಂದರೆ percentage ಮತ್ತು 2 zeros ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದೇನು ಇವಾಗ? 71 into 22. Now 22 I am splitting it as 2 into 11. 22 ಅನ್ನು 2 into 11 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Now 71 into 2, this becomes 142 into 11. Now multiplying any number with 11 is easy. So this is 2, 4 plus 2 will become 6, 4 plus 1 will become 5, and this is 1. 1562 minus 122. So 1562 minus 122 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1562 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1462. 1462 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 22 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1440. 1440 is equals to 1440 is equals to x plus 22 into 25. 22 into 25. First multiply 25 into 20. 25 into 20 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 500 plus 25 into 2, that is 50. So 500 plus 50, that becomes 550. So x plus 550. Hence x value will be 1440 minus 550. Isn't it? Now 1440 minus 500 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is 940. 940 ಇಂದ minus 50 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ you will get 890. So therefore the answer is going to be 890. So this is the final answer. Now next one. Right. 452 plus 56 into 15 whole divided by 25 is equals to x plus 19.4. Now this is 452 plus 56 into 15. As I said, 56 into 15 ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 56 into 10 will be 560 plus 56 into 5. 56 into 5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So this becomes 280. 560 plus 280, so this is going to be 840, isn't it? So 452 plus 840, 400 plus 800 is 1200, 1200, 52 plus 40, 92. So the final answer here is 1292. Whole divided by 25 is equals to x plus 19.4. Now when you divide this by 25, you get 25 ones are 25 5s are 125, 42 remains, 25 ones are 25, right? So 17 remains, point, 25 6s are 150 and 25 8s are 200. So this is going to be 51.68 minus 19.4 is equals to x. So when you subtract this, how much do you get here? 68 minus 4 will be, this will be 0.28, 51 minus 19, that is 32. So the final answer is 32.28. But in the given options there is no 32.28, but option number E, this is none of this, so none of this will be the right answer. Okay, the next one here is 138 minus 55 plus 62 equals to x plus 25. So whenever you look at these numbers, so ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ -55 ನಂತರ +62 ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 138 ಮತ್ತು 62 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ವೈ? 138 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 140, 140 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 60 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 200. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 200, therefore it is called as a completing number. 200 minus 55 is equals to x plus 25. Now 200 minus 55 is 145 minus 25 is equals to x. So 145 minus 25 is 120. So this is the final answer, that is option C is the right answer here. Now let us move on to the next one. Right. So here it is 18 plus 512 minus 128 plus x square equals to 802. So now you can observe that 18 plus 512 is again a completing number. Why? Because when you add 18 to 512, this becomes 530. 530 minus 128 plus x square is equals to 802. ಈಗ 530 minus 128 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 530 minus 100 first, 430, 430 minus 28, 430 minus 28 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 402 plus x square is equals to 802, therefore x square is equals to 802 minus 402. So this will be 800 minus 400, which is 400. Therefore x square is equals to 400, x value is equals to root of 400, so x value here is 20. Therefore option B is the right answer. So ivaga let us look into the next one. Right, a very simple and a very good question. 45 square plus 65 square divided by x is equals to 125. Now how to find the square of any numbers ending with 5? 45 square ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first 5 square will be how much? 25. Next 4 ಅನ್ನು next number ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 4 ಇನ next number ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5. ಅಂದರೆ 4 5s are 20. So that means 45 square is 2025 plus same way for 65 square. 5 square ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 25. 6 into next number is 7. 7 6 are 42. So 2025 plus 4225. So this becomes how much? 4000 plus 2000, 6000. 225 plus 25, that is 250. So 6000 plus 250, this becomes 6250 divided by x is equals to 125. Now when you cancel this with 125, this is 125 1 times 125, 5 times is 625, therefore 50. So x value illi 50. So 50 is the right answer. We'll look into the next one now. Right. So here it is 15 square plus 32 divided by 16 minus 27 is equals to x percentage of 400. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ 15 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. 15 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 225 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 16 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2. 16 2 times is 32 minus 27 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now 225 plus 2 is 227. 227 minus 27 is 200. So this is 200 is equals to, so ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ percentage is the eliminator of 2 zeros. So percentage ಮತ್ತು 2 zeros ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, x into 4. So x into 4 ಅಂದರೆ 4 1 times 4 5s are 20, so this is again 50. So x value here is 50. Therefore option B is the right answer. The next one here, right, 55% of 180 plus 55% of 220. So this question looks bit lengthy, but this is very a simple question. It's very simple. So ಈಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 55% ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 55%ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 220, ರೈಟ್. ನಾವು 55% ಆಫ್ 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 220 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ, ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 400. 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 220 is 400. So percentage is the eliminator of 2 zeros. That means finally you have to multiply 55 into 4. 55 into 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 54s are 200, 5 4s are 20, 200 plus 20, so the final answer is 220. That is option B is the right answer. So we'll look into the next one now. Right, so a very important question, so you will get to learn many things in this question here. Yes, so this is another important questions and you will learn many things here. Now first 36 into 99 minus 48 square plus 50% of 480 is equals to 30 into x percentage of 100. First 36 into 99, yes, so this is the next question and you will learn many things here. First 36 into 99 minus 48 square plus 50% of 480 is equals to 30 into x percentage of 100. First you have to multiply 36 into 99 here. ಇವಾಗ 99 ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಗೇನ್ 99 you can consider it as 100 minus 1, isn't it? Now this becomes 36 into 100 is 3600 minus 36 into 1 is 36. So this becomes 3564. 3564 and minus 48 square. 48 square ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, again here 50 is the base number. 48 is how much below the 50? It is 2 below 50. Next, what is 2 square? 2 square is 4. I will take 2 digits, that is 0 4. Next step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, since it is 2 below 50, subtract 2 from 25. On subtracting 2 from 25, I get 23. That means 48 square is how much? 2304. So that means 3560 minus 2304 plus 50% of 480, that is half of 480. Half of 480 will be 240 is equals to, again 30 into x percentage of 100, percentage ಮತ್ತೆ 2 zeros cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Finally you are left with 30 into x. Now on the left hand side, 3560 minus 2304. First 3000 minus 2000 is 1000. 564 minus 304. 564 minus 300 will be how much? 264. 264 minus 4 is 260. So 1000 plus 260, that will be 1260 plus 240 is equals to 30 into x. 1260 plus 240. So this is 1500 is equals to 30 into x. Now 0, 0 get cancels. 3 1 times 3 5s are 15 and 0. So x value is 50. So therefore option D 50 is the right answer. Right. So this is all for today. If you like this session, then kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. See you all in the next class. Till then, stay focused and keep learning. Thank you all.